Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add drop-down menu in WIX. So let's go to WIX first. In this interface, you have to click on Edit Site. After click on Edit Site, you'll find this interface. Now you have to click on this Pages and Menu, this one, and choose Add Page. Now you have to choose Blank Page. So here you can see the new page updated here. You have to click on this page, double click, and you have to name it any name you want. I'm naming it drop down. Now click on done. Now you can see that it has been dropped down. Now you have to click on this add page again. Now click on blank page. Now name this page again. I'm naming it sub menu. Now click on done. You can see that sub menu has been added. You have to click on again add page. Now click on blank page. Now again you have to double click on this and you can write your button name, sub menu 2. This is drop down is menu and this one is sub menu. You have to click on done. Now I'm gonna put these two menu in this drop down menu. Now you have to click on this three dot beside this sub menu. Then you have to choose, again showing you, click on this three dot and you'll find here this sub page. Click on this sub page and sub menu 1 has been added to sub page. You have to click again and choose sub page again. Here I cannot find the sub page menu. Maybe it's under this taskbar. But if you find the sub page menu like this, here you can find sub page and main page menu. Click on the sub page like this and it will be added here in the drop down. Now if you click on preview option, now if you click on this drop down, you can see that sub menu has been added here under this drop down. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.